Good morning. Actually, as usual, it's the afternoon, and I was busy doing stuff for the main channel. It's usually how my day goes. I handle the editing of the vlogs in the morning, even though I should be doing them the night before. I did edit the vlog this morning, and then I filmed and edited for my main channel. So here is the aftermath. I filmed in here, so we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. I need to do some light vacuuming today. I probably need to do some light dusting as well. I have quite a bit that I need to get done outside of the house in terms of errands, but I have to tell you, all I really want to do is just sit on the couch and read my book. That's all I want to do. But here are the things I need to get done outside of the house. I have a return from Amazon. I don't even know if I talked about it, but in my Christmas design plans, I talked about this one photo where they had like a plaid blanket behind the couch, and I thought it was everything. So I thought it would be cool to do the same concept, and I went to Amazon, found like this scarf, thinking that it was gonna be big enough, and it wasn't, so I just decided to return it because I found a blanket. Why don't I just show you what I'm gonna return? Alright, so I do have everything in the car, but I got these extra bulbs from Hobby Lobby the other day and didn't end up using them, although I'm considering keeping these. So we'll see. Here's the scarf that I ordered, and honestly, I'd probably keep that too to wear, but I have enough scarves and I do have plaid. So I'm gonna go ahead and return that, but that's what was supposed to be on the couch, but it was just too small. Then we have a return to the at-home store. I didn't end up using these. I decided against them and they just didn't fit right, but I feel like next year I'm gonna do it differently, so I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and return those as well. And then I have this stuff from the at-home store as well. And I bought this ribbon, and then I changed my mind and used the other ribbon that you saw from Hobby Lobby. So I'm returning that. I'm returning this plaid ribbon, and then I'm returning this garland because I just didn't end up using it. And then from Walmart, I'm returning the plaid trees. I didn't end up finding a space for them. And then the Santa ornaments, which are really, really cute. But I am trying to do this thing that if I'm just simply not going to use it, I'm going to return it. And I'm doing the same thing with like existing decor. If I'm just not using it, I'm donating it. So, but because I recently bought these, I'm gonna go ahead and just get my money back on those. Also, I don't know if you can tell in there, but I have boxes in there. I have boxes in my trunk, and those are all for donations. So that's also another errand that I need to run. The donation place that I'm gonna take those to is actually open today for drop-offs, but I think I'm gonna wait and go on Friday. But I need to get all that stuff out of the car because it's literally taking up my entire trunk of all donations and the back seat. So it's just been feeling like my car is a little out of control as well. I need, let me just say you guys aren't there. I need an oil change, I need a car wash, all of those things. And all I want to do is just read my book. I don't want to do any of those things. Like, I'm just telling you, I don't want to do any of those things. And you know what? I think I'm going to give that to myself, and maybe tonight I will go do some of the returns. I'm not sure. I feel like I'm going to be running errands tomorrow, so I feel like that would just be better if I knocked it out all together instead of going out all the time, which I'm not a fan of. Like, I'm just not a fan of driving. I don't know about anybody else, but the less amount of time that I can be in my car is the way I want to go. I don't want to be in it. So, but I do want to get this haul in the room cleaned up so the room is nice and clean, and then I'm just gonna relax. So hopefully the rest of this vlog will be interesting. Have you guys seen this Dollar Tree DIY? It's so cute. It was in a recent haul. I will link the video down below, but it is over on my main channel. So like I mentioned, I have a lot of errands that I need to run. Gonna do absolutely none of those today. I also forgot to mention one, which was I need to put the barbecue grill together. Still haven't done that. But right now, I think I'm in the mood to go jogging, which I have not done in a while because I started noticing my back was just getting bad again. And if you guys didn't watch the times that I vlogged me going to my chiropractor, but he said, no more running for you. I basically can't do anything that is too much on my back, like weight wise or just pressure. Like I can't do squats, things like that. So I could do like the elliptical, but I don't own equipment like that at home. But you know me, I just like to be stupid. I'm dumber than a pile of rocks. So I'm gonna go jog. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. I've got this black top here. It's from Walmart. I like that it kind of goes past the bum area. I've got my knee brace on. My knee, I just know I'm headed towards surgery. I just know it. And even more so, I'm not gonna dive into it, but I know I'm headed for surgery because even when I haven't been jogging in a while and just walking around the house, I can feel it. I can just feel sometimes it's pain, sometimes it's numb. Not good signs, and I shouldn't be running, but we already talked about that. So I do realize that's probably annoying to be like, okay, you should not be doing something to be hurting yourself or, it impacts your back, it impacts your knee. Sometimes I just need to run for my mental capacity. That makes no sense, but it just does things for me that makes me feel really good. So it's just one of those things where I do sacrifice the pain for the mind, I guess, if that makes sense. But anyways, I got all of my makeup off. I normally wear a hat. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear a hat, to be honest. I don't think I am, but here it is. I'm gonna stretch really, really good, and then I'm gonna go. Sitting in the living room, I've just been enjoying reading this book. I'm rereading it, so it's my second time. It's called The Bride. It is hilarious. I absolutely love this book. I love the way that Julie wrote the main female character. She is hilarious. I am also watching Sabrina on the TV, and Loxie is hilarious. Her sleeping positions always crack me up. So I wanted to show you guys that I've been playing this game, not sponsored, at all, but it just like immediately sounded like it. But in a vlog not too long ago, I was playing some app game, and I know somebody left a comment saying how much they loved it and like wanted me to show other games and apps that I use. So here's a new one, and this one is called Hidden City, I believe. I know there's a lot going on this screen right now. Let me just get through all of this stuff. All the pop-ups in the beginning are annoying, but okay. So it's basically like a seek and find game, but there's so many things that you can do, and I really love that. So right now, just because I haven't played this in a couple of days, I'm just kind of going around getting all of my like treasures and stuff that you get. So like I'll get them. They're glowing, so they give off all of these things, and you basically operate on energy, which I'm not a fan of that tactic, to be honest. It's kind of frustrating, but what I will say about this particular game is they make it easy for you to get a lot of energy, so you can find yourself playing for a while. So let's do this one. Organ room, unlock location. So then you say show me, and it takes you to right here. And then you have to unlock this room. It's 9,000 coins, but I don't have that. I only have 7,200 coins. So you just kind of keep going along until you angel statue, unlock another location. Let's see if we have enough coins for it. It's this one. It's 10,000 coins, also not there. Okay, let's do this one. Find a beer. Explore the City Hall location. Okay, here we go. So City Hall is right here. And then it tells you like what you could get, your rewards for this. So you'll hit play and you'll use 13 of your energies, and then here's your seek and find. So hopefully that makes sense. Like each little station has its own seek and find thing, and then there's a little list, and these get really interesting too. Sometimes they like start removing letters, and they make it really challenging. So and then as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I I did find the beer. So that means that we get to complete that task. And then it'll just automatically do it for you. See, it shows you completed. And then it gives you the stamp, and then you take your reward. So anyways, it's called Hidden City. It's really, really cute, and I love this game. All right, I look like this because my daughter and I are gonna try TikTok. I have a headache, and I already took some like ibuprofen, but my headache's still like, ugh. And this is just for me, my memories, not going anywhere. So anyway, you're supposed to put a towel and then...
Yeah, they get it. TikTok.
Okay.
How do I do this? Like
I
really
don't
fast?
know, I'm scared.
Mom, stop holding it.
If we get me wet, I'm gonna be mad. It's going all over my head!
I'm so mad at people for it.
How did they do it? Well, I told you to watch the TikTok first.
I watched one literally last night. They do it like that. Maybe it's because your head's so small.
No, rewatch the TikTok. Oh my god, I'm wet.
Okay, let's try it again.
What? I told you
Or
to
maybe
watch.
it's just the wrong cup. Maybe it's too thick. Maybe like one of the big ones.
A wine glass.
Can we just do something for once?
What do you mean? I need another towel. This one's wet. It is bubbling. How long do we do this for? I don't know. You feel ready? Not yet. Just kind of like in my temple. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, so here are the results. Okay. 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 We weren't really sure how long we were supposed to try it for. So I think we had it on my head for about 3 minutes. And during, this was just my experience, but while the glass was on my head, it still just felt like my headache was there. And then we took the water off after like 3 or 4 minutes. And then I sat down and I feel like it's gone. Like it was, like I felt the pain here. But I'm pretty positive my headache is gone. Like I still have the side effect after a headache, like where your head feels sore. So anyways, my head feels like it's, like I knew like I had a headache with the soreness still there, but feel pretty positive my headache is gone, and that's absolutely nuts that worked. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really weird. I don't know if you guys caught it, but the first one got me all wet. So that's this. That one was a fail and it was hilarious.
Mom, watch this video.
But it works, just for anyone who wants to know. I don't want to watch this video.